Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel once again. It's your girl Sperry, and in today's video I'm gonna get my hair done in the streets of Accra. Actually not in the streets, but you know what I'm saying, in Accra. So this place is actually far from where I live. It's about 45 minutes, and a friend recommended this place, so I'm not traveling this far for a mediocre job. I hope they do a good job. I'm gonna get some soft locks done, and I'm hoping it turns out good. Okay, so I'm taking you guys along with me, and after this video I'll probably do a review on their service and basically, you know, everything that it entails. So I'm really excited. I'm not feeling that great today. I'm kind of sick a little bit, so if my voice sounds crappy, that's why. But yeah, so come along with me, y'all. This is the streets of Accra. I think this is Medina, but where I am. So here's Medina. Alright guys, so we are here, and I think that's it. It's a she touch, and yeah, gonna go see how it turned out.
So I got my hair washed, and also I got some treatment done to my hair, which is what she's actually doing right now. She's massaging my hair, and oh my gosh, you can't tell from my face, it feels so good. I enjoyed it. And you know, it's good for circulation of blood under your scalp too. So yeah. And also I also got my hair trimmed after the protein treatment. She blow dried my hair, and I also got it trimmed out a little bit. I didn't videotape that part, but as you can see, I'm just chilling and relaxing. But these people are really nice. They really have a very nice customer service. I enjoyed, like, you know, spending time over there. The hair did not really take that long in the braiding. It took long with the washing and then the treatment and blow drying and all that took long, but for the braiding itself it did not take long at all. But yeah, these people are so friendly, and the guy, I believe he's part of the owners of the store, I'm not sure, but he was so nice. He even had a ring light. Yeah, they're nice people. Yeah, so I recommend it. And also, as you can see, I'm just blow drying my hair right now. I enjoyed this place. I enjoyed this salon. They really had like very nice customer service, which I think that's usually the basics of salons. You know, if you have a very nice customer service, people would love to come and do their hair, even if the hair is not that great or even if it's too expensive, you know. But aside them having a good customer service and a good sense of humor, they also actually do hair really well. They braid hair nicely. Let me know in the comment box, what is your priority when you go to a salon? Is it the price? Is it the hair? How good they braid it? Is it customer service? Is it distance, like how far it is from you? Like, what is your main priority when you go get your hair done? What are you looking out for? What is your number one thing that you want? Alright guys, rate this hair from 1 to 10. I think this hair is a 9. It looks really good. I would have given it a 10, but girl, like, after, it was painful. Like, when I got home, it was hurting so bad. Aside that, I think it's a 10, but because of the pain, I'm gonna give it a 9. And also let me know in the comment box what your favorite kind of braid is. And make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe, and share. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
They told you that you couldn't do it 'cause you're washed up.